This video was developed by XPM Consulting. XPM is a project management, agile, ITIL and leadership training company.
The schedule may be developed in different formats and for different audiences. Bar charts or Gantt charts represent the activities scheduled through horizontal bars, complemented with additional information such as durations and dates. The bar charts may be represented based on detailed information, best suitable for communicating with the team or contractors, or based on high-level information, best suitable to communicating upwards with senior management or with the customer. In its purest format, the bar chart does not include dependencies or resources. Its format is ideal for project monitoring, making it easier to assess variances between the baseline and actual performance.
This video was developed by XPM Consulting. XPM is a project management, agile, ITIL and leadership training company. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the video interesting, and if you did, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel.